If I see my socks in this video, I'm never shooting in a video again. In this video.
Oh my god.
Hi, I'm Diana. Oh wait, I was supposed to say welcome to the YouTube channel, right? Crazy. This is how I do it. I'm sorry. Yeah, I can't brush. Do you see my hair? Welcome back to OUAI's YouTube channel. I'm Diana, the Director of Education. So basically, if you have a question about any OUAI product, I'm your girl.
And I am Kathleen. I am a pro hairstylist, and I'm here to show you guys how to blow dry your hair with some volume spray.
So when I blow dry my hair, I'm kind of a hot mess.
Okay.
Based on, I can look at the differences between our tools, and right away we can say that
I'm scared of your brush.
This brush has not been cleaned out in a really long time. I'm sorry about that.
It's okay.
And the only reason why this wide tooth brush is clean is because the hair falls out of it, not because I've cleaned it. So these are kind of like basically the tools that I use to blow dry my hair. Full disclosure, I'm a Staten Island girl. What up, Staten Island? Not afraid of teasing, not afraid of back combing, definitely not afraid of volume.
Okay.
I'm about 6 foot, but like with my hair, I hope to be 7 feet tall.
Okay.
But I like a good voluminous bouncy blowout. I kind of feel my best with that.
Okay.
And this is kind of how I do it.
Okay, I think first thing then maybe a round brush would be really good for you, because this to me I use more for smoothing.
And I also always start with like a heat protectant because I have blonde hair and it's super color treated and it's really fine, and I feel like every hair is super important for me. Like they're part of my family and I never want to lose them. So I usually start with our leave-in conditioner because it detangles, hydrates, adds shine, gets rid of my frizz. And even if I put a little bit too much in it, it still works. It also has heat protection because like I don't want to my hair is so blonde, I don't want to like burn it or see it break off. Like I freak out with that. So
hair is really fragile. So
right, especially when it's hot, right?
Yeah. I would use volume spray for if I'm gonna do like a really pretty blowout. I do that on Sophia a lot, or just like a really good beachy texture, because you want to get that. You kind of want to have volume, but you want to give it that texture. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how I apply my leave-in conditioner, and then you can yell at me. So like I spray it, though this is a new one, so I'm priming it, but like I spray it on my brush like this, like crazy. And then I like just take, and I start from the bottom. Is that what you're supposed to do? Okay, so I start from the bottom. Just because I don't, like, I feel like it's easier to get the tangles out.
Okay.
Because I'll use conditioner and still get tangled. Yeah. Like, it's just like that's how fine my hair is.
Starting from the bottom is good.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then like I kind of hold it to where I feel like the knots are gonna be, and then I take it on top.
Yeah.
Because like I feel like
and the top is the most fragile too.
Right.
Because that's where it gets like the most heat, and usually it's breakage.
Oh my gosh.
But yeah.
Even that word breakage scares me.
I know, it's very scary.
I feel safe when I use leave-in conditioner. I feel like it's gonna protect me against all the naughty things that I'm about to do to it.
Yeah.
So this is just basically what I do. I like comb it out.
I've never seen anyone do that.
Is it weird?
The spray on the comb. No, it's just...
You know what it is? I'm the girl that eats like 7 Oreos and can't just have one. So if I have some product in my hand, I'm always like... And then if there's music on, then I'm like spraying so much, even more to like the beat of the music. So this is like my portion control. So maybe you want to show how do you start your blowout?
Yeah, so for me, when I do a client's hair, I'll obviously just do it on my own, but I usually just spray the ends of it. You can spray all of it, but for my hair specifically, I can't really have too much product because it weighs my hair down, because I have really long extensions, but my hair is probably hair length and it's pretty fine. I have a lot of it, but it's really fine. Yeah. So I just kind of spray it at the bottom, and then it makes it really easy to kind of work your way up the hair.
Is it true that like extensions tend to tangle more, or is that like just like a lifestyle that's like not true?
It depends, I guess, what brand or kind that you have in, or whoever installs them, because that really makes a huge difference. Right. But Amanda Lee Hair installed mine, and
I'll plug for Amanda, I love it.
they're I don't know, it's really seamless to brush them out.
Okay, so like the next thing I do, and this is gonna be really bad too. Okay. So like, all right, I will part my hair, and I have this like crazy part. I like to part it here because, I feel like I'm losing hair there. So if I part there, it doesn't look so bad. Like it's really fine up there. Okay. So if I do that over part, it like looks like I have a lot of hair on this side, and then like I can make this side look like it has a lot of hair.
Okay.
And then I apply the volume spray, but this is where I go ham. I have no portion control.
Okay,
I'm gonna
let's see
just show you how I do it. And because I work with products, I know to shake all the
Shake it.
time, so at least I have that, right?
Okay.
And then I literally go like this. I go so crazy with it. Like insane. I even close my eyes because I don't want it in my eyes or face, but I just go nuts with it because I feel like I want volume everywhere. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And look
that's
how
good.
close I was. Is that a no-no?
No, that's it's more like hairspray. You kind of have to be further out, but
Okay.
since this is really meant to be kind of directly on the root, I think
Yeah.
that's fine. So just watching, when I just watch you do it, a lot of your root you're missing. You're kind of just doing it through here and not like kind of sectioning it and putting it through there.
Okay.
So if you do that more, you're gonna have more volume at your root, which is kind of like
The point.
and the problem that a lot of people have, because you put it everywhere and you want volume here, then all of a sudden you only have volume here and you're like, this isn't making sense. And I'll also show you how. So I just kind of go like this and just spray pretty close.
You know, volume spray is really rad because there's not a lot of alcohol in there. Most volume sprays, like it's like the second ingredient. Ours is like all the way down at the bottom. So it has this like vitamin water kind of feel to it.
Ooh.
Where it's like normally you would have sticky hands already. But because like,
Yeah, this one's not sticky at all.
yeah.
I'm obsessed with it. And then I just kind of also go like this.
Oh.
Yeah, just kind of gets it in there.
Okay, so then I like take this, it's actually
The slip.
the slip.
Yeah,
I like
love
this for so many reasons. One, if it's in my hair, it's gonna stay in my hair and I know where it is. Like I don't tend to lose these. And then it doesn't pull my hair out because like it's super soft. And so what I do is I like kind of take my hair like this and I start from the bottom.
Yes. Perfect.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't think you were gonna say that.
Yeah.
You're gonna tell me I was wrong.
Yeah, no. It's good.
So then I just have, and like I'm super curly down here, so I kind of make sure that, so this is back from my old school days when I used to work at a blow dry bar.
Ooh.
Not as a stylist, but
Okay, I was like, wow.
So they always would tell me to like get the root, the mid shaft, and the ends. Like concentrate on the root first,
Yeah.
and then get the middle dry, and then get the end dry.
Okay. I do that, but I kind of just do it more in like one swoop. I'm not like, let me blow dry just the roots,
Okay.
and let me blow dry just the middle, and then let me like I kind of. And when people blow dry, I feel like they tend to think that you need to go really fast, like when you're doing one section.
Right.
But instead of going really fast and kind of like this, you can go a little bit slower, and it makes you go less times.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Right.
So, yeah.
Yeah, because I see people doing this. And they shake it.
Yeah.
And I'm not a shaker. Like
Yeah.
when I do this, I don't know.
When you rough dry, you can kind of be a shaker, but when you're trying to polish it and do like a blowout,
Okay.
you need to be more, following the brush and be more or less shaky.
So with my hair type, do you suggest that I like rough blow dry first, or do you just say go for it?
I think everyone should really rough blow dry till about 80%, because
Okay.
if you're trying to blow dry it from stopping wet, it's gonna take you 12 hours.
Okay.
So unless you have really curly hair, if you have really curly hair and you're trying to get it smooth,
Okay.
you're gonna rough dry, and then it's gonna be curly, then you're gonna try to get it straight. So.
Yeah. So I should rough blow dry it, or no? You think it's kind of?
Oh no, it's good.
Oh,
you
okay,
can,
good.
you can go into it now.
Okay.
And then, do you want me to show you? Okay.
Yeah.
So I kind of do the exact same as her, but since I have like a lot of hair in here, I do a little bit smaller of a section, because that's another thing too. You need to take small enough sections, because if you're trying to take a huge section of hair and blow dry it and get the roots, and then the whole thing, you're going to be missing a lot of the roots, because you're going to be blow drying just these roots and missing these.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, for sure.
So I need to have smaller sections.
So when you're blow drying your extension at the root, like, are you just like super cautious to make sure that like it doesn't pull?
Yeah, you have to be careful with them, but they're tape-ins and they should be pretty sturdy if they put them in right.
Right.
But still be cautious, because
Right.
the last thing you want is an extension to fly out, or
We have to have a funeral for it.
I literally I just bring both sections to the front so you can see what you're doing, and then from there.
Wait, have you ever
just
blow
do
dried
it.
like a celebrity and an extension fell out?
No, thank God.
Oh my gosh! Wow, I thought you were gonna say
I
yeah.
would die. I mean, I'd be able to put it back in, but still,
That's
it'd
creepy.
be scary.
Yeah, because like when you're pulling, and
Yeah,
then oh my god,
yeah.
the hair's out there.
Yeah.
I forgot that I would
I feel
die.
like that happens with individuals sometimes, because once the bond starts kind of breaking down a little bit,
Yeah.
you don't realize it until you're blowing out, because that's happened to my own hair before.
Right.
And I'm blow drying, and it's all of a sudden I see one strand of hair and it's going, and I'm like, okay.
All right, let's get into this. I'm gonna start blow drying my bottom layer.
Okay. I'm excited.
I'm also left-handed, so it might look weird.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
So when I'm done with this layer, I like do this like weird side thing. Like should you blow dry in like your part, or should you just doesn't matter? Like what's the best way to blow dry to get the most volume?
So to get the most volume, the best way is to blow dry like opposite of your part. And then when you flip it, it's like a thing.
Right.
Like my hair has a really strong right here. So even if I do that, all the baby hairs kind of look crazy. But once you put product and kind of like lay them to form into how it should be, it looks really good.
Okay, so if I normally part this way, it's always
your part's normally here, so do your part here.
So I'm gonna part here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or even if it's like closer to in the middle, as long as it's not like right in the part.
Okay, I'm gonna do the
And
middle.
then you can flip a little bit.
Because I feel like I have a little widow's peak, which I don't really like to talk about, but I do.
Yeah, I have like a, I feel like everyone has like a thing, something on their hairline that's like not ideal.
I try also not to let the wet hair touch the dry hair because I feel like it contaminates it.
Yeah.
I should invest in clips. I do work for a hair company. But
Yeah.
I'm being real. That I use one scrunchie to like do it. This is so crazy to see the difference.
Yeah, that looks so good.
Well, like volume spray is heat activated, so it's one of our only products that like we require you to use heat with. So
you wouldn't want to put it on.
no,
dry
it
hair.
doesn't really do anything on dry hair. You need that heat to activate that volume polymer system. See, that's my education card coming out.
Something that I notice when I watch other people do it, and then when I do it, the nozzle and the brush are like together as one.
They're supposed to be together as one, right?
Like
But they're
the
not supposed to
anglage.
like touch, right? Or like, I always wonder that because sometimes I let my blow dryer touch my brush and I'm like, are you supposed to be doing this?
Yeah, you can.
You know what I also do sometimes, since this is a safe place?
What?
I flip my head upside down and I
No,
do it
that's
like
okay.
this. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, because it like, it's kind of pushing your hair. That's another thing if you're trying to get volume, like over directing your hair in the opposite direction.
Okay.
Like when I told you to do your part the other way.
Yeah.
Even when you're doing it, like when I get to the top, you'll see I'm kind of blow drying forward.
Oh.
Or sometimes like with the bottom, you kind of are blow drying it forward instead of back.
Oh, maybe I'll
You know
blow
what I
dry
mean?
this section forward.
Yeah. But yeah, I was gonna say make it a little bit slower. Perfect. Yeah, see, we're doing it. And everyone is always like, why does one side look different? Why does one side when they blow dry their own hair?
Yeah.
But it's because you're blow drying it like this with your normal, and then when you go to this side, it's like I switch hands. A lot of stylists do, so that way it is even.
Oh,
but
so
if
you
you're
blow dry with both hands?
Yeah.
I've actually never picked up a blow dryer with my like left hand because I think I blow dry with my I blow dry with my right hand even though I'm left-handed, and I use because I have more control. I rather have more control of the brush and the blow dryer.
Oh wow, that's weird because same.
Right.
But
So,
I'm right-handed.
oh,
But
so maybe I'm weird then. I never really thought about that. Actually, it feels weird holding it in my left hand.
Yeah. Well, that's whatever.
Should you
side
have more
normally
control
do
with
it.
the blow dryer or the brush?
I think the brush.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this feels weird. Wait, I'm gonna try it.
Yeah. Good.
Did I just say that? No, I was gonna do that stuff. Yeah, I can't brush. Do you see my hand? I was like, I can't brush with my right hand. That's not gonna work.
No,
It's
it
not-
it really is hard. Like usually only stylists do that. Not that people can't, but it's just something that we do every day. Are you done with that already?
No, this is still damp.
Okay, I was like, wow, you're done. That's so fast.
I know this is like a no, but this is how I do it. I'm sorry.
I'm cracking up.
And I'm getting you.
All
your
I-
worst nightmare.
all I see, I look over. It's
They
a
told us to
full-blown
be real.
tornado.
This is how I really do it. Because then I feel like I have thick hair.
Yeah. Well.
Which I know I don't. But I like to pretend I do. I feel like I want extensions now, like down to here.
I can't not have extensions, and I've tried.
What are your thoughts on, sometimes I do this too, since again, I feel safe with you. I take like hot rollers and I like throw them in my hair when I'm done, just to kind of give it like.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, like that's my way to like really fake it. And I'm gonna be even more honest with you, I really do not brush it with the blow dryer. I'll just like really rough blow dry it, like all crazy and everything. And then I just comb it out and then I throw the hot rollers in and then I brush my teeth, I like get ready for work, and then I just let the rollers out. And I like what the volume spray does because it's still like, it's heat activated. I feel like it activates the volume spray even more.
Yeah.
And like when I take the roller out, like my hair still feels soft and touchable, but like I have that like volume that I love.
That's not terrible.
And it's like really big at first, and then like by the time I get to work, it like kind of falls a little
down.
bit, but still like I feel like it gives me, the rollers give me, I feel like stylists have the best tension, and I tend to not have that kind of tension that I know I should have when I pull on my hair. And actually, volume spray has like hibiscus extract in there, so that when you're pulling on your hair, it helps stretch it without breaking it. And that's another thing that I love, because like I said, I don't like when I hear my hair break.
Yeah, no. Also, I forgot to say as well as blow drying, but when you do have extensions, I like to always grab a piece of the hair extension with my natural hair when I'm blow drying, because otherwise I'll show you guys where my natural.
I'm having a hard time seeing like natural versus extension. It looks really good.
It matches really good. The colors match really well. So this is my natural hair.
Oh, your natural hair is really long.
It is, but it's all kind of this length. So once I don't know. And then I usually blow dry it with a piece of hair extension, because if you blow dry them separately, they don't like lay as seamlessly.
Yeah, and they don't blend. Because one looks, because they do have a little bit of a different finish.
For sure.
And that's what I feel like volume spray helps with that too, because it gives everyone, like every piece of everyone, like it's a person, but like all your hair follicles kind of have the same finish.
Yeah. Did you do the thing where you blow dry it the other way? Or
I did, yeah. And I feel like I normally don't get like this to be this kind of like voluminous, but I dig it.
Good.
Thanks for all your help. I really appreciate it.
Of course. Did you learn anything?
I did. I learned that, I'm gonna tell you what I learned. I learned to clean out my brush. Sorry.
Please. Next time I see you, I'm gonna ask you.
I learned to kind of blow in the opposite direction of my part for a little bit more volume. I learned not to be too hard on myself, because you kind of gave me confidence that like I always feel like I'm not doing the right thing, or it's not the right thing. But what else did I learn? I'm probably going to switch from starting from the bottom. I'm probably going to start from the top first, because I do get kind of lazy, and I notice that towards the top. So yeah, did you learn anything from me?
So from here, I would either normally just leave it and put some finishing cream or something over the top. I usually like wave my hair. So, but this is a really good base. So if it's not completely perfect, it's a really good base to put a hot tool through your hair. So yeah.
If you had to do like one thing that you would tell everyone to do for their hair for the new year, like a break a bad habit or try not to do, what would it be?
I would say probably just try to be gentle with it, take care of it.
Yeah. Maybe
wear a hair mask, put a hair mask on, go to yoga, let the heat activate it.
Oh, I love that tip. That's great. I love that. I know, I do things like that.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Hold on, guys. Hello? Okay, I'm on the way. Okay, bye. Okay.
Good to go.
Love you guys, but I gotta run.
Oh, I know your clients are very important. But thanks for all your tips. I really appreciate everything. And I'm ready for my new hair, new year, and I'm ready for my clean brush. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe on OUAI's YouTube channel.
And leave a comment if you guys have any questions about how to get the perfect blowout. I'll make sure I come on and answer them for you. So yeah, talk to you guys soon.